Hello! We are back with another shoe video. It's been a while since we've been behind the counter instead of sitting in front of it. As you can tell here, we're not hiding any of the shoes because I already know what's in it. We got about 20 pairs in here. I got all of this a month ago. I got this for $710. It's about 20 pairs. Comes out to about $35 per pair. We haven't put out a sneaker video in a while, so yeah, we're just gonna go through this. It'll be a little bit of a financial review. I'll show you what I got. We're just kind of rolling with it. I'm a little rusty when it comes to sneakers. It's been a while since we've done it. It's been a while since we've set up the cameras.
It took me like an hour and a half to do this, I'm not gonna lie.
But we're excited to be back. So, without further ado, I'm Swazy, that's Sonny. Yep. Get everything that you see here and everything you've seen in previous videos on swazytoplug.com. Anyways, let's get into what we got. Okay, so I've got, like I said, 20 pairs here. I've cleaned almost all of them but 4. I'm gonna take the 4 out that I haven't cleaned so you can kind of see where I started and where I ended up, if that makes any sense. First off, we've got some True Blue 3s. I think this is the 2011 release, size 10, and they are, I think what would be the best way to describe this? A failed restoration. These they are definitely a failed restoration. They even came with the True Blue paint from Angelus Direct. If you decide to buy these, I will include the paint and you can try to fix them on your own.
That sounds like a great YouTube video for someone else to make.
That is not us.
That could be you.
Keep in mind, $710 for all 20 of these pairs. Comes out to about $35. Ow, $35. There's like dust in my face. Air Max 90s, also size 10, also no box. What you'll see as we get later on into the box, a lot of these shoes don't have insoles. So, I mean, you'll see if you go on the website and look, it'll say whether or not they have insoles in it. So we got a size 10 beat pair of Air Max 90s. Have seen better days by a lot.
These are great lawn mowing shoes.
These are great lawn mowing shoes. Again, remember, I'm starting off with the 4 that I have not cleaned. So we're starting off low. Hopefully we'll pick up a little bit. Next up, we've got, I think these are just a Team Jordan. I don't really know. Size 10.5. The best way for me to describe this pair is this is a great donor shoe. This is the perfect bottom for a Jordan 4 if you are doing a restoration. There's a little bit of star loss, but not much. God, this thing's got so much dust on them, Jesus. If you do somehow get your hands on a pair of like 99 Bred 4s or something and you need to do a sole swap, these will work good for you. Got some paint chipping all around on the sides here. I really want to get through these shit pairs. That way we can get to the good stuff. And finally, we've got a pair of shoes that are gonna go directly into the trash can after this video is filmed. No insoles, no laces, don't even know what they are. They are just a beat New Balance that looks to have been run over with a car. People might say, oh, you could donate those to somebody. I mean, they don't have laces, they're beat. It would be insulting to give it to a homeless person. Like, they are so bad.
It'd be extremely insulting.
Okay, so next up, we've got some LeBron 11. I think these are called Everglades. These are a size 10. I'm not gonna lie, these have seen better days, have been beat a little bit. From a distance,
they look pretty good
from that far away. They look all right. A little bit of scuff on, a little bit of paint chipping, but we go around here to the bottom and we go to the back here and we got a little bit of sole, a little bit of heel drag. I think a little bit is an understatement. I tried my best to clean these, but only so much you can do to a pair like this. If you need a new pair of beaters to wear around that you don't really care about, that look okay on top, there you go. Before I go any further, Sonny reminded me, I gotta give a shout out to the person that sold me all these. His Instagram is Mots Kicks VA. He's a good guy, know him through a few sneaker group chats. Good dude.
We haven't discussed the value of any of this yet.
It's probably 20 bucks per. And then these, I wanna say maybe 50 bucks. I think I have them listed on Go for like 50 bucks.
Okay.
For what they are, I don't think that's too bad. I'm gonna kind of try to find the pairs that I know are worth less and kind of work our way up. And if someone visits the website frequently, you probably have already seen all of these pairs. So I've got these. These are a soccer shoe, Nike Mercurials, size 8.5. They come with insoles, but they don't come with shoelaces. That is the downside to these.
I would say it's easier to replace shoelaces than it is insoles.
You're very right. These are not very beat up. I don't think soccer shoes really show that much wear. I mean, you can kind of see some creases on the toes. And then, okay, so there's 2 pairs I'm gonna kind of talk about at the same time. So we've got these. think these are like premium tape Air Maxes, and these. I know the name of these for sure. I think this is Tiger Camo or something like that. And these are Beaches of Rio. This is a size 10, and this is a size 10. They are both size 10, probably came from the same person. We were talking about mowing shoes earlier. These are probably somebody's mowing shoes, as you can tell by the green tint that they have all around the bottom. Keep in mind, all of this, I want to just preface this, everything you see before me that I've pulled out so far, and I'm going to pull out, minus these, have all been cleaned, and have all been deep cleaned and disinfected. Everything, I used a certain shoe brand, or I used a certain shoe cleaner brand that I won't mention because they haven't gotten back to me for a partnership. So I don't know what I used to clean it, but I will know when they respond to my email about affiliate links. Cool. Beaches of Rio, size 10. I don't know what I have these listed at. Premium tape, Air Max is also size 10. These have insoles. These do not. We're gonna kind of keep that joke rolling. So this is the last pair I kind of want to touch on. These are KD7 Easters.
Such a nice way to say it. I want to touch on.
Yeah. KD7 Easter, I think, GS pair. These are size 7Y. No insoles, obviously. They're not too beat up, but the fact that they're a size 7Y makes it a little bit difficult because rightfully so, not a lot of parents want to buy their children used, beat up basketball shoes. Everything else here is good condition. I cleaned it up well. I can't promise that they come with insoles, but first up, we've got, I think this is a size 11. Yep, size 11 Air Jordan 9. Dream it, do it. I actually really like the colors on this.
These look good.
Very vintage in terms of like, they definitely remind me of the 90s, especially with that tag on the front there. I think that's pretty cool. Pull these out next because this will make some people go, okay, I understand why you paid that much. These are a size 12 Golden Moments Pack 7s. I know they are 7s because I'm smart and I definitely didn't look it up. Not too bad in terms of wear. These are a little bit of an older shoe. You wouldn't really know they were too worn though. Not a lot of creasing on the front and insoles. Gotta love that. I kind of threw caution to the wind and started grabbing the closest thing to me instead of like working our way up in terms of value. All of these are listed for steal prices. I think those I have listed for like $130. I'll take these out because we've had a pair of these before. These are, is this the other pair? Yeah. 8.5, size 8.5 with insoles. I think bright mango, peach mango. I think they're bright mango LeBron 8s, size 8.5, no box. Look good, not too much wear. There's a little bit of heel drag and there's a little bit of like tearing towards the back. Definitely made my quote unquote $37 per pair back on those. Next up, we've got a pair of bronze 5s. Also come with insole. They are size 8.5. Really good condition on these.
These look fantastic.
These look really good. I did have to do some cleaning. There's a little bit of creasing on the front, a little bit of a dirty bottom. Can't complain though. We'll do these. These are a size 12 Air Jordan 10 I'm Back is what they're called. You don't get, yep, as you can see right here by the tab on the back, it says I'm Back. It was actually just the anniversary of this press release. March 18th, 1995.
Wow.
Michael Jordan sent a press release to the Bulls. He had retired from basketball to go play baseball.
Yeah.
Funny.
I remember that.
Yeah, because we were both alive when that happened. He went to go play baseball and then he just sent a press release and all it said was, I'm back. And it was like iconic. It's a big deal. It's pretty.
that's a pretty sick move.
It's BDE. I'll give him that. It's very big dick energy.
Yeah.
So insoles, I believe. Oh wait. Let me rephrase that. One has an insole, and one does not.
I'm glad that I'm just finding out about this insole.
Yeah, the insole joke.
We've had these shoes for at least a month, and I've not heard that half of these don't have insoles.
This is a 50%. This has one insole and one not. Good condition, a little bit of cuts on the back there. I think I have these listed for $100, for 100. So this is the only pair with even a little bit of a box. It's a replacement box, but it's a box.
Forgot what this camera angle is like.
Yeah, we haven't done this at all in a long time, I don't think. These are a size 7.5 pair of, I think these are the Countdown Pack. They look like Bugs Bunnies because of the colors, but this is the Countdown Pack Air Jordan 7, size 7.5. Have seen better days, as you can tell. I did clean them up a bit, but you can see a little bit of discoloration, maybe a little bit of sole separation, dirty on the bottoms. These are an old pair. Let's see. Okay, these are fun. I like these a lot. These are the KD7 eggnogs, or Christmas, Xmas, if you will. God, there's so much dust in the air. Holy shit. Size 10. No box. Comes with insoles, which is good because the insoles on these are kind of cool.
Oh,
they're
those
like
are cool. 35th, damn.
35 ounces. It's meant to be like outside of an eggnog carton.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
That's sick.
When I was cleaning these originally, I saw all like can you see like that, what looks like dots?
Yeah.
I thought that was like bad. I thought someone had spilled something on it. No, that's just what it looks like. That's like an effect that Nike added. Size 10, comes with insoles, KD7 Xmas eggnogs. Made my 37 back. I think I have those listed for 150. Could be wrong. This is the last pair without insoles, I think. I hope.
Or it's not. We'll find out.
We'll find out. All right, this is a size 8 Concord low. No, insoles. Now it feels weird to say. Yellowing is intense on the bottom, but they look great otherwise. There's a little bit of scratching on the patent leather, but not too much. Clean these up pretty well, I think.
These look really good.
Yeah, I think I have these listed for 100 as well. 3 pairs left. We'll go with these because I didn't know this size existed. This is a size 8Y. I did not know they made youth sizes this big. And maybe they don't. Someone in the comment section might be like, bro, those fake. We've actually had this pair before. This is for the OGs. We got these in a box back at the other set, if you will. This is the Air Jordan 5 GG Hot Lava. Hot Lava. Great condition. I think these look really, really good. I think they have these listed for 100. These are just LeBron Soldier Premiums is what they're called. I call them Oreos because they look like an Oreo colorway, but they're not called that anywhere that I could find at least. I think these are also a size 8. Yep, size 8. Come with insoles. Not a lot of wear on these, which is cool, as you can kind of tell.
Yeah, these look good.
No box like everything else in this box. Last pair out. These are cool. These are the Posit. I think these are like Zoom rookies. Memphis Tigers, because they're blue. This obviously, show that to Sonny. He really likes that.
I love the logo.
Yeah,
the carbon fiber bottom.
Yeah, I like I don't know if you can see like through the insole.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's about all the pairs that came in this box. We'll organize everything. We have a sea of 19 pairs here. I'll let you guys be the judge down in the comments section below whether or not you think it was $710 well spent. I think it averages out pretty well for what I've spent on other beater boxes in the past. I don't think it's too bad. I think Mots hooked it up. I'll be honest, he wasn't too transparent about what had insoles and what didn't, but that's neither here nor there. Everything before me is already listed on the website at swazytoplug.com. Be sure to go check it out. If you want to buy some merch while you're there, I would appreciate it. Use code Swazy. 10% of the sale will go to charity. Not as much suspense and excitement in this video because we already knew what we had. Hopefully you enjoyed it nonetheless. Hit the sub button, hit the like button, hit that bell, all the fun stuff. Social links in the description. Deuces.